welcome to my channel, Toasted Blonde. Today we're going to discuss Limelight by Alcone's or Limelife's perfect eyeliner. It's black, it's pretty, and we're going to talk about it. Stay tuned. Alright, here it is. It is a black eyeliner with a brush tip. Check it out. It is $18 on the website, plus $3 shipping. If you contact your beauty guide, if you want one. I'm not a beauty guide. I don't sell Limelight products. I am not a makeup artist or beauty guru or any of those things. I'm just a regular person who likes makeup and likes to give you reviews. This eyeliner does a great job. It doesn't irritate my eyes. My eyes do not get red by the end of the day. Like, it goes on smooth, it goes on easy. You can create the finest line imaginable. It is a little light. You may have to go over it for 2 coats for a deep dark black. However, it lasts all day. As soon as it dries, and it dries pretty fast, it doesn't smudge, it doesn't budge. It's on there till late at night when you're washing it off, and you're gonna have to use something to get it off because it lasts. Of all the things I bought from Limelight, because my sister-in-law was selling it, this is one of my happiest things I bought. This with a brush tip is magnificent. So I was like, holy shit, let's try some other ones. So I went out to try and find a dupe for this that would be like cheaper, because if you go to Sephora, you can try Stila, which is fantastic, and the Kat Von D one, which is also really similar. So both of those draw a super fine line and have a super fine tip like this one. And Stila is $22, and Kat Von D is $20, and this is $18. So this is actually cheaper than both those, which I didn't see at like how much products in them, but for price they're pretty much the same and comparable. But I did look for a dupe, so this is what I was gonna tell you. I got the dupe, it's $8 NYX, but you know, like, you can always get like buy one get one half off sales at Ulta, so this is a lot cheaper. However, they're not dupes. So let me I just drew some put it on my hand, some lines. So this is Limelight and then NYX, and Limelight and NYX. NYX actually comes out darker, but when you're drawn, but it is a much thicker, not a much thicker tip, but it is a thicker tip. So I am not able to get the precision with the NYX one. So here I'm going to compare the two for you. Here's the Limelight and here is the NYX, and I'm hoping like at some point you can see what I'm talking about. How the Limelight one is just thinner all the way through. They both go to a really fine point, but because the Limelight's thinner all the way through, it really helps draw a much perfect line. And then when you go, and I had mentioned that NYX comes out darker, but then because it's such a fine tip, and you're able to easily go back over in 2 coats, gets you the same level of darkness. Let's cut to, I am terrible at putting on eyeliner, and I'm just going to show you now. I put NYX on one side and Limelight on the other, and I just want you to see how bad I am, because this footage like doesn't help at all. Doesn't even help this review, but like, watch. So this is NYX and this is Limelight or Limelife, and I feel like my video is very misleading. So, alright, so you saw my embarrassing attempt at putting on eyeliner, and I'm wearing it today, and I didn't do quite so bad, but I also have all this makeup on to hide it. Trying to like do a nude face for me and like have my eyes show out would look like disaster. Okay, final thoughts. If you have someone you know that is selling Limelight and you want to support them, go get the eyeliner. You will not be sorry. Get the eyeliner and get the lip gloss, because that's so much fun. Here's my lip gloss. I always say, like, buy the lip gloss because it's so fun and pretty on your counter. All right, but buy the eyeliner. If you don't know someone that's selling Limelight, I actually wouldn't go out of my way to get this product. There are plenty other ones the same price point. The Stila and the Kat Von D are $18 and $22. Oh, sorry, $20 and $22, and this one's $18 plus $3 shipping, so puts it right in the middle there. Or you can go get the cheaper one that has really, really good dark line, but not as fine. And that's it. Another win by Limelight. Love it. Thank you, Limelight, for introducing me to such a great product. And have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.